Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we see altcoins pumping until Bitcoin consolidates. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification on, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's important for the YouTube algorithm. Let's make this smaller and let's go check out our favorite bubble chart. Here we go. So Bitcoin is visited 47,000 US dollar. It's kind of retesting the previous resistance zone that flipped to support, and also Ethereum it corrected a little bit but not too much. But we see few altcoins are running wide, especially Zilliqa, as within few days we will see more metaverse things unfolding on Zilliqa, but we see WeChain, GMT, Comp, Aave, Engine, Hex, Rose, Solana. So almost all the alts doing well. So good to see these green days, but someday that will be a correction, that's for sure. Maybe a final shakeout or whatsoever. So let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 55. So we are still consolidating in this neutral zone and a slight greed zone. And as you remember, we spent almost 3-4 months in the extreme fear. So now good to see that the sentiment is getting better and investors are more and more hungry to buy in good coins. Let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin hits 2022 high as analyst gives new 80,000 BTC price target, so 80,000 US dollar price target. So we reached this at 48,000 this yearly highs, and the trader has strong doubts over crash below 30,000. So there can be a few traders who thinks that will crash, but hope for a little bit more down today. But often in these kind of bull markets, it's too much asking for. The super trend is your friend. The Bitcoin 3-day super trend is very close to flipping bullish, according to Matthew Hyland. We have been waiting since the start of December to see this flash green. So we are waiting since December this index to flash green, and it's a kind of Ichimoku cloud, or I don't know what's this. I think super trend indicator, and now it will flip to green, and that is a lagging indicator. So you are spending some time after you see some shifting in this indicator, but we are there just few days and it will flip to green, and that will indicate further upside. Let's go and check our next news. Bitcoin hits 3-day low as Terra BTC buys in dry up below 48,000 US dollar. Trader BTC still on target to track 50,000. Okay, Do Knan, the Terra co-founder who had initially made the build in public. Okay, Pentoshi says this. For now, should expect yearly open and purple box to act as support, potentially small pullback and lower time frame, or and Ducon appeared to be from the green bottom, looking for continuation at 51, 52, 53 during the next rally for BTC. So he expects a retest. The yearly open was at 46,000 US dollar, and then a nice run up to 31, 33,000 US dollar. Risk asset drawdown remains in focus. Bitcoin does not have the characteristic of gold to withstand rate hikes and tightening cycles or black swan events, one post read. A hawkish Fed and monetary policy is approaching. This would be catastrophic for high risk asset classes. So this is an opinion, but we'll see. I don't think that these rate hikes will be as huge and as many that someone fears. A retest is expected, but most analysts expect Bitcoin price to extend much higher. So retest to the 35,000 US dollar zone as support, after which traders anticipate a stronger move toward a resistance cluster at 54,000 US dollars, and the bull run to 80,000 US dollar is on the cards. Bitcoin breaks above its 1 year moving average. Keeping it simple, it's often best, according to independent market analyst Philip Swift. He posted this, and this is the 1 year moving average. Price above bullish, price below bearish, and we just trying to break above the 1 year moving average. Price is now breaking back above the 1 year moving average. Historically, this is an important level for Bitcoin, signaling the start of a bullish trend. Possible entry at 45,000. Maybe so many people who missed out and wants to come back and getting exposure, they are expecting 45,000. So also take your eyes on this. Those that missed the boat may hope for a perfect entry with a mid 45,000 US dollar retest, but BTC often doesn't give perfect entries. Clearly bullish after this clean break above the range, in my opinion. Little resistance between 37,500 and 57,000 US dollar, according to Red Capital, who is pulling up this this monthly chart, monthly candles, and you see how there is no space between 47 and 57,000 US dollar. Technically, if BTC flips the black 47,000 monthly level, this one here, it will support this March. There a little major monthly resistance until 57. So this is now a resistance. Tomorrow we will close the monthly candle, and we are excited to see the closing above at least around 48,000 US dollar, and there is not too much resistance on the monthly chart. So good to see that we have some nice trading setup coming. Bitcoin in middle of bull run. BTC price primed to hit 55,000 soon. Okay, and what else? BTC price action, a daily close of 48,000 or higher would open the door to 55,000 US dollars. So that's for sure. Also the 200 day exponential moving average at 43,700 provides interim support. Bitcoin is in the middle of a bull run. A crypto quant analyst feels Bitcoin is in the midst of a bull run. This is based on the cryptocurrency analytics platform's Bitcoin velocity statistic. Velocity metric, according to Bingham, is currently in a perfect state. I see that the velocity of BTC has increased sharply after being interrupted by the black swan, but there is no sign of the peak of this cycle. The current threshold is only equal to the beginning of 2017. Yeah, why they are not putting a chart here to explain this better, but okay. Huobi firms up crypto ETF plans for retail investors in Hong Kong. Optimistic for approval is based of regulators providing some relaxations. Okay, good for them. Good to see its movement. And Microstartegy takes out 205 million Bitcoin backed loan to buy more Bitcoin. Oh, great! 205 million loan from Silvergate Bank. Okay, so they are getting out a loan and they are buying more Bitcoin. What I was doing with Bitcoin, I don't want to decapitalize the company. I want to keep the capital or grow the capital, but I also want to put an asset on the balance sheet. And I think a big breakthrough is that I can convert my cash from a liability to an asset, he said. And then we realized if asset is going to go up by more than 10% a year, and you can borrow money at 5% or 3 or 4 or 2, then you should borrow as much as you can to flip it into the asset. Why wouldn't you? So buying Bitcoin with taking out loan 205 million. Next piece of news is GameStop NFT marketplace is now live and powered by Loopring. So it's on live on Loopring layer 2 solution, and great to see that this GameStop NFT marketplace is developing on Loopring. So that is why we can be bullish on Loopring. And that was the news yesterday that hacker drains 622 million US dollar from Axie Infinity's Ronin Ethereum sidechain. So almost 173,000 Ethereum, 25.5 million USDC, and that was a sizable exploit. Some drained from the bridge that connects Ronin to Ethereum mainnet, and Ronin is the own blockchain of the Axie Infinity. So this is a sad thing. Hope that the hacker will not able to spend those funds. Next piece of news is hacker group Anonymous leaks Russian central bank data. So guys, this is getting excited. Anonymous claimed that the hack was their retribution against Vladimir Putin for this treatment of the Russian people and his invasion of Ukraine. Anonymous hacktivists have already targeted a Russia TV station, VGTR Key, and industrial firm to boot. A further tranche of hacked information is from the Rostproekt construction company. So they are attacking Russian leading companies. Next piece of news is MetaMask rolls out Apple Pay integration and other iOS updates. So that means that you will be able to access Apple Pay through your MetaMask, and you will be able to buy crypto and be deposited in your MetaMask through Apple Pay. So that will be awesome and good for us. Cool, guys, so that's it. And also visit our farms, provide liquidity on Uniswap or PancakeSwap, depending on if you are holding ERC20 version of Binance Smart Chain version of CorionX, and then look up your LPs and earn up to 330% APRs. Guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed. I shared several nice posts, mainly about Ethereum. I find really great content about Ethereum, and also Solana is coming to OpenSea. So that's a question that the Laserpunk Gods NFT launchpad, that is a launchpad powered by CorionX. What will benefit with the launchpad projects that Solana is coming to the OpenSea. So guys, smash those like and retweet this. Also, Cosmos Atom Layer 1 protocol is developing fast. There is an airdrop opportunity in this thread. Check it out. And also BTC halvings are a great catalyst for the entire crypto, but Ethereum triple halving will be much bigger as we are getting to the merge. We're getting closer to the merge, and the Ethereum supply will trying out. Goldman Sachs are researching deeply crypto, and this is a chart how Bitcoin and Ethereum addresses are increasing. So what is this, guys, if not parabolic? 220 million Ethereum staked, almost 33 billion. If Ethereum was a single coin, it would be number 10 by the market cap. And also Ethereum 2.0 staking will provide higher APIs. So check out all this news, guys. Everything just for your education, and overall I really like all this news, guys. Yes. So now, not today, we are not looking into the charts because the movements are almost the same that was yesterday. But I really recommend to follow me at MIKLOS and also follow CorionX on Twitter, and this is how you can get more information. And definitely join our Telegram. Be aware because some scammers are there and messaging our members, so be very careful. But join our Telegram, and also in Telegram, Etihad never even send DM first is our official Telegram manager. So guys, enjoy your day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.